Hello everyone and welcome back. So this time we're going to go through two examples where we're going to run into some errors and have you fix them. So first one is we want to fix the if statement below so that it only prints if the person's income is equal to exactly 1 million. I don't care if it's a billion, I don't care if it's trillions, just a million. That's all we're looking at. So for person and people, I've got 4 people here, or 5 people, and I'm going to check their income, because their income is stored in a dictionary. So the person's name is here. I stick it into my income dictionary and it checks to see, is it, wait, something might be wrong here. Let's run it and see what Python tells us. And it says invalid syntax and it points at that equal sign, which is good for us because that's where the error is. Remember, if you're trying to check to see if something is equal to something else, it's always equals. If there's just one equal sign, you're setting that variable, whatever it was, equal to the thing on the right. Okay, so equals. And I print this, and my name is Ted, and I am a millionaire. There it goes. So equal sign is not the same thing as equals. I know that's really weird. It's actually saying it's exactly equal to. Different ways of saying it. Okay, example 5, if I could store time in a bottle. This one we're going to use something to figure out a way to figure out what our average time wasted is. We want to figure out the average of only the time spent that is more than 100. Okay, so if I spent more than 100 seconds on my phone, I want to care about that instance and average it. So let's look at this and see what we got to change. So if times more than 100, print that is however long it is, seconds already, get off your phone. Okay, occurrence is more than 100 plus equals 1, total time plus equals time. Well, let's run it and see what happens. Okay, so this runs, and then we get an average. So is there anything wrong with that? Is there? Maybe this is a trick. The answer is yes, there's something wrong with it. If you look at these 4 numbers, their average should be way more than 210. That's because both of these items right here, one I'm counting, okay, this variable right here is counting how many times was I looking at my phone that was more than 100 seconds. And so that's outside my if statement. So I'm not actually checking, I'm just adding it every single time. And not all of these is more than 100. So I'm going to stick that inside of my if statement. Second, if I want to get an average, I need to count and I need a sum. And so I don't want to add all the times together because I only care about the average for the times that were more than 100. So I really should have only added these 4 values together. So this should go into my if statement as well. And that's just done with tabs, with indenting. So now that I've run this, I'm going to rerun my code. And I see that I wasted an average of 374.25 seconds on my phone, according to this. So you have to remember that you need to indent properly. If you don't indent something, it doesn't go in the if statement. So use that to your advantage, let it help you. Okay, we're going to go ahead and stop there because we're jumping into nested if statements next time. I want to make sure that we take plenty of time for that. If you have any more questions about this, please email me. I'm happy to add more videos or to extend these videos if necessary. Well, I'll see all of you soon. Bye-bye.